How to turn off YouTube history on your Google account. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off your YouTube history on your Google account. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open your settings. Then here scroll down and tap on Google. Now if you have multiple email on your phone, tap on here your name and email and select the email of which you want to turn off YouTube history. After selecting, tap on manage your Google account. Then here tap on data and privacy. Now here scroll down and here you will see under history settings YouTube history. Tap on it. Here scroll down and here you will see the option to turn off, and here you will also see sub settings, and here you will see auto delete and manage history. So if you want to turn off, you can tap on it and here scroll down and tap on pause and tap on got it. Now if you tap on choose an auto delete option, here you can select the time 3 months, 18 months and 36 months. After selecting, tap on next here and tap on confirm. Now here you can see all of your YouTube history. If you want to delete all of your YouTube history, tap on it, delete, and you can tap on delete today, delete custom range, or delete all time. After selecting, tap on got it. So this is how you can turn off YouTube history on your Google account. Thanks for watching.